Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is to show you some of the ways that I use to find decent options trading opportunities. Now, before I go in with the video, I'm by no means an options trading expert. I only studied trading options last year, so I'm still sort of learning myself. I've placed some options trades, I've won some trades, I've lost some trades, so I'm still learning, so I'm by no means an expert. And if you're watching this, we're probably in the same boat. But I'm just going to show you some of the tools and resources that I use to find decent options trades. So if you're excited to, find out how you can find hot options trade, watch the video. Obviously, like the video, one or like it, one or subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Okay, so with that said, let's get on with the video. So if you're here, you're probably a beginner options trader like me. And I'm going to make an assumption that you've got the basic standards of options trading. You know what a call is, you know what a put is, you know roughly how to place an option trade. You might even place options trade before, but your biggest challenge is finding decent trading opportunities. That is a challenge, and that's a challenge for all sort of options traders. Just finding that next opportunity and trying to leverage as much data and knowledge from experts that you can. Obviously, if you're a complete novice, you can have no idea what you're looking for. So if you're kind of in the novice or beginner boat or even intermediate and you're thinking, I need to find options trades, then hopefully this video is going to be of value. So like I said, I'm by no means an options trading expert. I'm still learning myself. But I use certain resources and tools in order to find options trade. So what really are your, also before I go any further, by no means in this video am I offering financial advice. I'm any stock that I talk about option, I'm not saying buy it. I'm just sort of showing you the ways you can find decent options trades that are valuable that you can trade. So I just want to get that out there. None of this is financial advice. I'm just showing you how you can find decent options trades. So that out of the way. So what options do I use to find decent options trades? Well, the first one is I use an advisory service. I use the One Ticker Trader, or it's One Ticker Trader, run by Larry Benedict. He's one of the top options trading experts in the world. If you're new to options trades, you're looking for trades, this is a great way to start, because at the end of the day, he shows you his strategy called the One Ticker Retirement Plan. He just trades one ticker during a set period and trades, when the conditions are right, he trades that stock over and over again using options. Great service. It's helped me a lot. I've done quite a few of his trades. I think he's out of all the 18 trades he's done, I think he's picked 14 winners and 4 losers. Great. So that's a great service. If you're interested in trying it out, you can get started for $19. Really inexpensive. You get a 60-day money back guarantee. So what I'm going to do is I'll put a link down below for you. So if you want to check that out, great service. But I'm not here to sort of pitch you that. I just want to show you what I use to find advisory services. Now, there's other advisories out there as well. Now, if you want to take matters into your own hands a little bit, basically the key to finding decent options trades is finding stocks that have volatility. Volatility is an options trader's best friends, because we want to trade the momentum swing. So we want to get in before the stock price moves, whether it's up or down, and we want to get out when our the options contract we bought are in the money. But that is really the basics of options trading. We want to ride the volatility. So if the price of a stock is going up, we might buy a call option. Once that options contract has exceeded the strike price, then we can sell it for a profit and collect more premium than we pay for it. And obviously, in the opposite way, if we buy a put option, and the price of the stock dips below the strike price in the options contract, we can sell it again at a profit by collecting more premium when we want. So we want volatility. And really, the strategies of options trading can be very basic. Like, I'm really, at the moment, really all I'm doing is just buying calls and puts. I'm keeping it very simple. I'm not doing really any elaborate trades. I'm considering, selling to open options, writing my own options contract, because when you write your own options contract, you collect money immediately. So, you can sell a put option. Now, I'm not advising you do this, but it's just an example. You can buy a put option on a stock that you think is going to go up because you're betting against the price, and you can collect premium immediately in your options account. That's your money. But obviously the caveat of that is if you win, you get to eat, keep that money. But if you lose, you're going to be forced to buy the shares. So you'd only really want to buy or sell calls or puts on stocks you want to own, or as well as that those options contracts or the premium is going to go to zero. So basically, what sort of stocks do I look at to trade? Well, the QQQ Trust is very good. The SPDR 100 is very good. So let me just type in here. So just to let you know, I use a tool called Black Box Stocks. It's a tool, one of the best tools I found for trading. Basically, it's a tool that allows you to basically track where the money is flowing in stocks and options. And I've only just started using this in the last month, but it's such an exciting tool for finding options trading opportunities that I'm going to show you. But really, with options, you want to trade volatile stocks. So Tesla, Apple, QQQ Trust, SPDR 500, I think it is. Those are kind of like, the main ones. And I can tell you today, Tesla has seen a lot of action. So I'm just going to show you around Black Box Stocks to show you how to look for opportunities. So down here, so basically what this tool does is it shows you where all the money is flowing in the options market. This is something called the options flow. This is the option flow for Tesla stocks. Tesla, let me just show you. Tesla has had quite a volatile day. Some traders have made a hell of a lot of money today. So this is the 1 day chart. So basically, just after 2, the price went from 160 up to a high of 165. And these are all of the trades basically put on Tesla. So what we're really just going to sort of talk about the options flow very quickly. This is amazing if you know what you're doing. Now, obviously, looking at all this data, you've probably got no idea what you're looking at. But basically, what we want to do is we want to look for sweep trades. Sweep trades here. What a sweep trade is, it's basically a trade, multiple trades on a stock across multiple exchanges. It's an aggressive trade. So if you're seeing sweep trades, traders are aggressively getting into this stock. So traders have been buying a lot of puts here. So, if we look at the details of a trade, someone's traded 777 contracts for 285. That's a premium, and that's an R. So they're basically, they're selling that. That's a block trade. This is the value. This is the premium that they paid. So $221,000. The sweep trade, that trade. So basically, it looks like these traders are shorting the market. So basically, if you knew what you were doing, you could have made quite a bit of money on Tesla today. Obviously, most of you watching have probably only got a couple of £100 or maybe a couple of thousand to bet on options. But basically, what we want to do with the options flow is really we want to be looking for sweep trades and looking for trends. Basically, we want to flow where the money is so we can see an opportunity of where to get in. So obviously, if we'd have bought a call option today on Tesla, and say if we'd have, bought a call option for say 161, and we managed to get out at say 165, we'd have made quite a tidy profit. Even if you only bought one contract, we would have made quite a tidy profit. Now, obviously, very volatile. Obviously the stock's going down, so obviously traders are selling their options contracts. This is why I think all of these puts are coming in. I mean, basically, people are now betting. These are the strike prices. So this one's for 155. So this trader's thinking that this is a long 12th of May. So this is a week-long trade. Yeah, he's betting on the strike going down to 155. 777 contracts are bought, 285. So they paid 221,000 to open that put on Tesla. A lot of traders coming in here now. They're betting. There's going to be a lot of money made here. These trades are in the money. So basically, what you want to do with this tool is you want to start from the bottom, and basically you want to look at the time. All of these trades going in short order. We want to be looking for sweep trades because these are very aggressive trades across multiple exchanges where big money is flowing into certain options contracts. And you want to obviously look at the details, number of contracts. You want to look at the time. So obviously, I would say this is probably, the same trader here putting all these sweep trades in on Tesla. So if you know how to interpret the data here, you can basically you want to be following the money and following where the momentum is going, so you can try and predict where the money's going in options trade, so you can get in before the market makes a move or the stock price makes a move. Like I said, if we managed to get in at 160 today and closed our position, by open it just after 2 o'clock, 2:35, Tesla exploded, and it went up to 165 by just, what time is that? And that's trying to figure out what time. It's probably about 3:30, 3:45. It reached 165. If we'd have put a call option on that, we'd have made quite a tidy profit, even if only you put one options contract in. And basically the key to really finding this is obviously, following the options flow. You want to be looking for sweeps, and basically to get an idea where the money is going, so you can get options trades as well. Also, this system has alerts, and basically all of what these alerts do. So basically, it's alerting us that Tesla is hot. Whilst these alerts this is unusual trading activity here. This is all unusual trading activity with Tesla. So basically, the alert came out, this morning. So it's basically saying, it's recommending. So when you see these, you don't want to just go out and randomly buy them, but it gives you an alert that there's unusual activity happening with this stock. So, it's saying, there's unusual activity on the 1625 strikes, the puts. The alert came for 345 per share, and the last, the premium was 545. So on this put option, you could have made a 54% gain. Another one here, the 165 puts for Tesla. It's a put. The alert was for 345. So the alert was actually, 236. The high, it was 555. So you could have made 58%. So as you can see, these alerts are another way to see unusual trading activity on particular stocks and various options contract. This is basically a guide. It's not, obviously, you wouldn't see this and just whacking money on, but it's giving you an indicator that there's unusual trading activity, and it's giving you ideas that you can, once you see these, you can then go to the options flow, and basically, analyze Tesla further, and then you can make a decision based on this chart here, where you think the market's going to go depending on where the money is going. So that's basically one. This is the other way that I use to find trades, and the beautiful thing about this tool, sorry, it's just taking a while to load, just 1 second, is they've got trading rooms. So all of the professional traders, for when the market opens, and this trades off the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ, basically there's a trading room where all the professional traders are on here, and they're talking about all of the trading ideas. So you're not trading alone, you get all of the alerts here and talking about all of the trades. So basically you can talk about it, collaborate, so you can work with other traders to pick winning options trades. So here's another great tool as well. So these are the most active call options today. So obviously Tesla, very active today on the call options, 164. So this is the traders talking. So total value of $12.66 million in premium have been paid for Tesla contracts, and the most active puts today. Sorry, it's just taking a bit of time to load. So yeah, Tesla's up there, and so yeah, today, 350. Tesla's had a very busy day, very active, $147 million in premiums being paid on Tesla. Amazon very active as well. So what would so based on this, now this isn't financial advice, I would keep an eye on Tesla, and I'd be keeping an eye on all the money. Certainly tomorrow, the market is 8:50 in the UK where I am. So I made that 3:50. So the market's going to be open for about just over an hour. So what I would do is keep an eye on Tesla today and tomorrow, because there could be some more options trading opportunities on Tesla. If we just go back to Tesla now, Tesla price is really dropping very aggressively. So, based on this huge rise and this huge fall, I would check the news on Tesla stock, but also tomorrow we could see another rebound where obviously the stock price is aggressively falling. We could see another rebound where the price goes up. So Tesla is one to keep an eye on. So wrapping this video up. So my two ways, if you're a beginning options trader and you want to find new options trades, basically what you want to do, my advice is find, whether you use this or another service, use an options trading advisory. Like I said, the opportunity trader, when Larry puts out his trade alerts, you can see here there's one for QQQ, and he does a lot on the SPDR. But obviously this, I've only, like I said, I've been using this for just over a month, but I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is a great tool because you can track all of the money flowing, all of the trades flowing in the options market. So you can look for trends, look for alerts, so you can pick options trading opportunities along with other investors who use this as well in the community. So if you want to join Black Box Stocks, what I'll do is I'll put a link below so you can try it out. Love the tool. If you're at all serious about options trading, this tool is an absolute must. You can also link this to your brokerage firm. Do believe you can link it to various traders. So basically, I think you can trade from here. So yeah, so if you want to try Black Box Stocks, I'll put a link below, and I'll also link below One Ticker Trader if you want to get options trade alerts live to your inbox. But if you want to get all of the data and all of the options alerts and the community and all of the options flow, I'll link to Black Box Stocks down below. They do monthly or annual plans, so you can pick one that makes it right for you. Why not try for a month? Because honestly, if you're an options trader, this tool is a must. Because if you haven't got the data, then you're not going to be successful with options trading. This is one of the top trading tools out there. I absolutely love it. Anyway, hopefully you got some value from this video. Let me know down below in the comments whether you found this video useful or not. If there's any other videos you want me to make about finding winning trades within my level of, capability, why not comment below and tell me what what videos you want me to show below, and I'll do my best to make them for you. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and speak to you soon.